By the way, thank you for the new subscribers. All I do is awkward. And we just have a shoe unboxing. It's going to be really quick, but I love these shoes so much. And as I say in like every video in which I get shoes or boots, I'm like, these are my favorite. These are amazing. Oh my god. But these are just so cool. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and a quick try on. And they're amazing. Spoiler alert. So yay, awkward video. Also, don't mind this. I either have the onset of carpal tunnel or the fact that I sprained my wrist about 5 or 6 years ago is acting up again. Every now and then it just hurts and my wrist pops, so I just wear this for a couple days, and yes, it's fabulous. It's so cool. Like, all the cool kids have braces now. Anyways. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you have to be doing right now. I hope you're doing fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight is another awkward video, as we do. All I do is awkward, and if you're new here, you'll learn that really quick. I do awkward videos. So this is going to be a really quick unboxing because, oh my god, I got shoes. Of course I did. And as I do in every video in which I buy shoes, these are my favorites. But these are just awesome shoes. And I found them by chance. I do believe it was the closet historian who did a tour of her closet and a clean out. And I'll link her video down below. But she said she got these shoes from Macy's. So I kind of went down a rabbit hole of this brand because those shoes that she showed in her closet, I have words, I promise, are not available anymore. But then I learned about this brand, INC International Concepts, and I found these on eBay. They are not the shoes that they showed in their video, but oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. These are just beautiful freaking shoes. So we're just gonna get right to it, and I'll do a try on of these shoes. I'm just so excited. Yay, awkward. Please bear with me. But this is the box. They're called INC International Concepts. And the box is a little dented. It's a little worse for wear. But I was just happy to have the original box. Sometimes I will take them out of the box and just put them up on these shelves all around the room, or I will keep the box. But I went on eBay looking for said heels that she had shown in her video, but I couldn't find them, so I just typed in the brand, and then I found these, and I was like, oh my goodness. And these were $23 on eBay, so if you want these, you're just gonna have to do some digging like I did, and it just so happened that they were in my size. I do believe they came to $23.38 US, but I was so happy. Oh my goodness. You can already see, like, what? Yes. Hallelujah. These are just gorgeous. It's like they're little pieces of artwork. They just have the rhinestones and this curve, and they are ombre, I guess ombre, rainbow, and they've never been worn before because they still have this little size sticker. The soles are in perfect condition. Nothing's worn off. And you can see the INC logo right there. It's not worn down at all. And oh my gosh. Yeah, yes. It's probably about a 3.5, 4-inch heel. Very flat, so no hidden platform. Man-made. So they're totally vegan. These are 9, and they fit so snug, but so good. They are just so good. Look how blingy they are. So I'll pull the other one out. And they even still had the little tissue paper in the toes. Oh, these are just so good. But yes, I love them so much. But yeah, $23. It really pays to look on eBay or Depop or whatever your secondhand favorite site is. I've been on a shopping kick, and I know I should not be, but it was so hard to say no to these. These are just, they are too good. Too good. They're my new babies. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to pair them with, but I will at least show you them on because they are just so sexy and so fabulous. But the other shoes that I did see on the video I watched where I started looking for this brand, they were black, but they had spider webs on them and they were rhinestones. So I did find those on the Macy's website, and they only had them in 10s and 13s, and then I was like sleeping on it. I was like, I could go back and order the 10 and just put some tissue paper into the toes, but then when I went back again the next day, there was only 13s left, so I just kind of gave up on that dream. But these are beautiful shoes, and they're just called Kenjay 21F Rainbow Bling, or RNBW BLNG, and they are a true 9. But I am so happy to have these in my collection, and now I'm going to obsessively start looking for INC International Concept shoes because I'm really liking this. They had a bunch of different styles on the Macy's website if you are curious. I love living next to a highway. I'll wait. So dramatic. I hope everybody's okay. But yeah, I'm going to obsessively look for this brand now and to see what I can find because, oh, that's where I was going with that. When I looked at similar styles, like it says people also bought or other things by INC on the Macy's website, they are basically the same shape of shoe, but they have different patterns and colors. So I thought these were like the most unique. Of course, these are from eBay, and the spiderweb ones that I originally wanted were on Macy's.com. Anyways, enough rambling. I will try these on for you, and yeah. See you in a minute.